Hey there, it's Leslie from Leslie's Cookies and Treats, and if you're wild about your Valentine, let's make them some cookies. This is a wet on wet design, and it's definitely beginner friendly, so grab your cookies and your royal icing, and let's decorate together. So these are mini hearts, they're about 2 inches, and I'm just going to take my purple icing and I'm going to outline and flood them in. I'm going to stay as close to the edge of my cookie as I can, and then I'll flood it in with my purple royal icing. My icing is about a 15-second consistency, and I'll just flood that in and then use my scribe, or you can use a paintbrush or a toothpick to get it out to the edges. And if you didn't do your outline perfectly, you can fix that here just by pushing your icing over to the edge. And if your flood consistency is a bit looser than mine and it's overflowing, just wipe it away with a toothpick or a scribe. And give your cookie a little shake, and then just take another color icing and make random dots. They don't have to be perfect dots. In fact, it would be better if they weren't all over your cookie. And then grab your black icing and immediately go around your dots, making little lines on part of each dot, not all the way around. It doesn't have to be perfect. In fact, the more awkward it is, the better it will look. And just go around each dot and then make some little dots in your purple icing as well. You can make these in all different colors and it comes out really, really cute. And if any of your spots aren't settling down into the purple icing, just tap up and down at it. Be sure to wipe off your scribe in between each color. And then these cookies are done. They come out really cute, and they're really cute if you package them in the Wild About You cookie bag from Miss Cookie Packaging. I'll leave a link in the description. And I wanted to tell you that I also have a Valentine's Day cookie class where we'll be decorating 3 fantastic animals for Valentine's Day. For right now, a limited time, the class is available free. It's online. So check out the link in my link tree and you'll learn all about it. We're going to be learning several different effects, wet on wet effect. You'll learn the tissue paper and how to use a projector if you have one to transfer the design, and so much more. And you'll come away with cute cookies for Valentine's Day. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. If you enjoy cookie decorating, please be sure to subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit like on this video.